Hello, Professor. This is Fengnan Zhang. I'm demonstrating my final project for Java class. So firstly, I used the MySql file and 4 different data types, 2 string and more than 3 methods. Yes, I used the inheritance in my class, and also I'm using JavaFXswing for the interface. For IDE, I use the NetBeans. Okay, let's see. Firstly, I created a table to store all the cars information. I have 7 columns here, and each of them have different data type. By the way, the register ID is a primary key, and also it is unique, so we can search any cars by using the register ID. Also, that's make sure our service is running and get the database connected to the project. Let's run our project. This is my interface. The Worcester is where I'm living. See, let's get the register ID. We just find get easy number to find it after. Say I want the BAM and maybe SUV. Color white. Price, let's get 100K. Yes, and have 4 seats. It is a new car. Yes. The N is for used car. Discount, get you 5% for VIP, and you have to pay 6.25% for the Massachusetts tax anyway. Let's see what we can have. Okay, firstly, they said your records is added, right? And secondly, you can see that you saved $10,000 for the discount, and also your final price is 5,000 less than before. That's a very big deal. That's good. Okay, let's try OK, and then let's see what happened with our database. Like I said before, the register ID is unique, so we can't find anything for the band, right? We have band, but it's black. It's different information. Let's refresh it. We just add it. That button works. Save. And that's the information we are trying to save here, right? White and 100K. Okay. If you don't want this card, that's totally fine. We can just delete it. Say record deleted successfully. Let's refresh it. Say your ban for this register number is not here anymore. Also, if you want to delete other things, that's okay. Just search by the register ID. Maybe you want to delete the Toyota 654. For the Toyota, we only have 1 car. It's by this brand, and then we delete. For other information, you don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. You just leave them there, or you don't have to care about other information. Just the registered ID and delete. And say, yeah, I have to refresh it. Say your Toyota. It's not there anymore. Okay, 654, you can't find it anymore. That's deleted success. Okay, let's try say our discount. You have 2 different discounts. which is I didn't put them in here because it's private and it's a VIP discount. There only have the car information, but I do have a calculator for the VIP here. So I passing the two parameters. You have the discount for the price. It depends how expensive your car, and you're gonna add some rate and to calculate your final price, which is related with the tax and discount, two different rates, and at final price, and that's my toString. Actually, this VIP calculator it's inheritance the car class. Okay, because it have to basic on the car's information to get price. Say I override it. That's the car class. That's toString, and we have all the information here, and that's my constructor. Just in case, if you can run the interface, you can just easiest get this file run the test file. If the interface not running, it's that okay. You just run the test, and you also can get all the information. Say Ben and this number for price, and yes, it's a new car, and no, it's not, and you can just yeah, that's my test for classes. Also, I want to say something about my interface. I'm using the JavaFXswing. The difference with the JavaFX is they help you create like all the things for in the button. You just to drag them in, and the hardest to connect is all the information because all the different type you have to convert them to the string, and sometimes you have to convert them back for storing, and for print you have to you can look them later, and the connection is important. Every time you have to call this function to make sure you connect with the database, so you can update or delete. Yeah, that's all. That's my project. All the things I have them there. I'm using this for my algorithm. You can check for my calculator later. Yes. That's all I have. I hope it got your requirement for final project, and thank you for watching.